Welcome students. Today we are going to start a new chapter in commerce, that is formation of company. Formation means creation. Okay, so let's start. A joint stock company does not come into existence on its own. Planned actions and conscientious efforts are required for its formation. Formation of company is a complete process involving several legal formalities and procedural decisions. Formation of company involves the following stages. So, it is clear that a joint stock company does not come into existence by itself. For creation of joint stock company, some legal formalities or documentation have to be done, are required. Okay, basically these four steps are applied for formation or creation of a joint stock company. These are: first one is promotion, second one is incorporation, third one is capital subscription, and last one is commencement of business. Okay, so these four steps of company creations are promotion, incorporation, capital subscription, and commencement of business. We will understand these steps in details, but now in this video we are telling you in brief what happens in these steps. Okay, in next upcoming videos we will discuss in detail, but in this video we will talk about in brief for these steps in the for these steps. Okay, my dear students, before telling you this thing, I would like to you one more thing. I would like to tell you one more thing, that in a public company, public limited company, all these four steps are required: promotion, incorporation, capital subscription, and commencement of business. But in private company, for private company, only two stages are required, are necessary. First one is promotion and second one is incorporation. Only two stages are required. Okay, for public company all these four stages are required, but for private company only two stages, promotion and incorporation, are required. So see, a private company has complete only first two stages, while a public company must undergo all the four stages. Got it? These stages in a company formation are shown in the chart. Okay, now so let's talk one by one in brief what happens in the promotion, incorporation, capital subscription, and commencement of business. Okay, let's talk one by one. So first one is what? First one is promotion. In promotion, first one is promotion. In promotion process, basically four stages are involved. First one is discovery of idea, and second one is detailed investigations. After discovery of idea, then detailed investigation of that idea, then assembling, how it is assembled. Okay, and last one is financing. Okay, these four stages are involved in the promotion process. First one is discovery of idea, second one is detailed investigations, third one is assembling, and last one is financing. These four stages are involved in the promotion process. In this video we will talk in brief. In next video these all these steps are discussed in detail. Okay, now we will move on second stage, that is incorporation. Okay, so in incorporation basically five main stages. In incorporation basically five main stages are involved. First one is मेमोरेंडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन, प्रिपेयर मेमोरेंडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन. अब मेमोरेंडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन में फर्दर बहुत सारे डॉक्यूमेंटेशन होता है. ठीक है, इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो बात करेंगे. सेकेंड वन इज प्रिपेयर आर्टिकल ऑफ एसोसिएशन इन इनकॉर्पोरेशन. फर्स्ट वन इज मेमोरेंडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन, सेकेंड वन इज आर्टिकल ऑफ एसोसिएशन, थर्ड वन इज कंसेंट ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स. Next, undertaking to takes qualification of shares. And fifth one is statutory declaration. So these five steps are involved in the incorporation process. Once again, memorandum of association, prepare article of association. Okay, next consent of directors. Okay, next undertaking to take qualification of shares, and last one is statutory declaration. So these five stages are involved in the incorporation process. Okay, now let's move on the next, that is capital subscriptions. Okay, now we will talk about capital subscription. In capital subscription there are five steps are involved. Again, capital subscription five stages are involved. What are five stages? First one is permission from SEBI, Central Exchange Board of India. Okay, first one is permission from SEBI. Second one is appointment of brokers or underwriters, etc. First one is permission from SEBI, second one is appointment of brokers or underwriters, etc. And next one is issue of prospectus, and fourth one is applicating for listing. Yes, and last one is allotment. So in capital subscription these are five stages. Again I will tell: permission from SEBI, yes. Second one is appointment of brokers or underwriters, etc. Okay, this is the second point. Third, issue of prospectus. Okay, next one is applicating for listing, and last one is allotment. Okay, now we will talk about last, commencement of business. Okay, so commencement of business, in this stage there are six stages are involved. Six steps are involved. In this stage there are six steps are involved. First one is copy of prospectus. Okay, first one is copy of prospects. Second one is return of allotment. Next, minimum subscription. Fourth one is qualification of shares, and fifth one is permission from listing, and last one is that is statutory declaration. Okay, so these six stages are involved in the commencement of business process. Again I will tell you: copy of prospectus, return of allotment, minimum subscription, qualification of share, permission for listing, and last one is statutory declaration. Okay, so we will talk about the what happens in these stages of company creation in detail in next video. So this is all in this chapter. This is all in this chapter. There is nothing more, but this is what we have just told in the brief. Okay, we will talk in this in details these stages in upcoming videos. Okay, thank you.